expert SEM, supply chain and allied domain knowledge sharing. In this session, let us discuss a term called shortage gaming. When a product demand exceeds the supply, the manufacturer often rations its product to customers. For example, the manufacturer then allocates its product in proportion to the amount ordered by different retailers. Retailers often anticipate on potential shortages by exaggerating their real needs when they order. If the demand drops later, this will lead to small orders and also cancellation. This overreaction by customer and rationing and shortage gaming. This gaming results in misleading information on the product's real demand. To illustrate the effects of rationing gaming on the variance amplification, consider a supply chain consisting of a manufacturer, multiple wholesaler, and multiple retailer. If the manufacturer appears to be in short of supply, wholesaler will play the rationing game to get large share of supply. Assessing a possibility of wholesaler not getting enough from the manufacturer, retailer also play the rationing game. The effect is that demand and its variance are amplified as one moves up the supply chain, which is called a bullwhip effect. Thanks for watching. Bye.